Play makes it easy for you to create an ads campaign in just a few steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign and also how to check the status of your campaign once it's created. So anytime you're going to create a campaign, you want to make sure you go to your advertise page. This is where you're always going to create new campaigns. Up top, you'll see start a new ad, which you can just click the plus button, or you can just click the platform that you want to create it on. If you're not sure where to get started, you can click the template gallery where we will show you some different examples of what you can create depending on your business goals. On the bottom, you'll see recent ads, which is any ads that you have already created. For this example, we're going to click on the plus sign and it's going to ask you to pick your platform. So the first step, we're going to click on edit. Then we're going to go ahead and select Google search. Now you can select any platform if you'd like. You can select multiple. But for this example, let's go ahead and just go with Google search. As you can see, it's already selected. So we're going to scroll down here, click next, and it's going to take us to step number 2, which is the website. So it's going to ask you to type in the website where you want people to go to when they click on your ad. For us, it's plai.io. Now, when you click go, Play will automatically generate content based on your website. So it'll pull some headlines, descriptions, even images to help you with some content. Now let's go to targeting. It will also select keywords that are recommended. Now I could choose to remove some, or I could even type in some more if I'd like. Let's click next. It'll also do recommendations on your location. Let's click next. Then we are at the content step, which is where Play will use AI to create the headlines and descriptions for you. Now you could review them and make sure that you like them. You could also toggle to custom content and create your own. But let's go ahead and keep the AI content here and click done. Now we go to the final step, which is budget. Here in budget, you can select how much you want to spend on your campaign per day. So when you type in the number here, like if I type in $5, on the right side, you're going to see the forecasted results, which will include clicks and reach. Now for this one, let's just go ahead and go with $2. If you click on see more variations, you will get an idea of what your ads will look like. Now let's go ahead and click create. And once you click confirm, your ads will be created. Once your campaign is created, you can always check the status of it by clicking on your advertise page. This is where you'll see all the campaigns that you've created before. And if you click on that campaign, you will see the insights, how it's performing. You will also see the status down below here. Now, if you just created that campaign, it can take 24 to 48 hours for it to be active. So you might see pending review, but just give it some time and it'll be up and running.